Welcome to the Painter's Estimating Program, the XP. I'm going to talk today about job tracking. And when we're doing job tracking, we want to go into a job that is already existing and find out our general information, kind of look at our general information. This is the estimated hours on a particular job and the estimated cost. Now, we will not give the job a starting date or ending date until we are to start the job. Once you do that, the proposal and the contract are locked in. They are not able to be changed. When we are ready to track our job, we're going to go into our transaction screen. We're going to click on a date for that job, and we're going to click on whether it's labor or material. We'll give it a description, and let's say that we're going to do labor here. As you type in what you want to say about the labor performed that day, you can actually put in employees' names, and then you could actually put in the hours. Say 2 guys were on this job, so it was a 16-hour day, and the wage that you would actually pay these 2 for the day would then be put in under amount, not the overhead, just the actual wage that you would pay them, and then you would hit save. So that would then record that day's labor. Now let's say on this same day that they stopped at the paint store, so you would then click in material. Description might be the name of the paint store. And then you would put the amount of the slip. You might even make a note here as to the product that was purchased. And then again you would save that. As you did this every day of the job, you would then go back in and you would be able to see that the actual time being used on the job and whether you were going over. In this case, it was bid at 13, and we had 2 guys working for 1 day, so we actually went over by 3 hours, 2.5 hours on this job. If we look at the profitability of this job, our cost of labor, we figured at $280, it came in at $257, our overhead, the material, and then the total expense of the job. So then we would have our income and our profit on this job. If you did this every day to every job, you would be able to tell before the end of the year whether you were making a profit or a loss on each job that you were working. It's very important to know how your estimating is going, and this is a great way to know whether you're on track or not. Please look at our other videos to show you how to figure out material in the program, how to add estimates, add customers, and feel free to go in and look at these videos often. Thank you very much.